Hello viewer from YouTube, you're about to watch an extract from my Work Faster with InDesign course, which as you would imagine is a course that will get you working faster with InDesign. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to watch the whole thing, then you can access it by clicking the link below. Having discovered that to zoom in quickly, in and out efficiently, you need to be able to change the type tool in Work. Let's look at how you can quickly change to the type tool. The quickest way to do it is simply double click like I've just done. So by double clicking on some text with the selection tool, as you may know already, it then changes it to the type tool. So that's how we can do that. Perhaps just as pertinent is how you can change back to the selection tool. I'm going to tell you the proper shortcut in a minute, but let's just show you firstly what you don't do. Now you might know, if we hover over here, there's a shortcut for the type tool. Let me zoom in for you, which is T. So that is another way of doing it. And there's a shortcut for the selection tool, which is V. So what you don't do is hit V, because as you can probably see, it just adds a V in there because of course you're typing. So the way you do it, notice up here, it says V and escape. So escape is the key on the top left of your keyboard if you don't know that already. So if I just hit the escape key, which I'm doing now, I'm back to the selection tool. So just to recap, to change from the selection tool to the type tool, double click. To change back, hit escape. As you will see shortly, that's one of the most useful shortcuts I can teach you, is the escape key. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see other videos on the same theme, they're in this same playlist. If you want to watch the whole course, you can click on the link below to access that. And of course, if you want to subscribe and like, then that would be great.